Hi, it's me again with Corel tips and tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video on a vector pattern that I kind of created. So if you go to your interactive fill tool and pick vector patterns, it gives you that. Now I saw these nodes, and then a viewer subscriber kind of gave me an insight that if you move these nodes, it will expand and make them bigger. So you can do that, but you can also turn them at an angle and have a completely different look. So that's pretty cool. You know, you wouldn't want to do, you want to probably keep these two the same so the item is like that and you get that effect. So I think that viewer subscriber, and I saw those yesterday and I didn't really pay any attention to them. Anyway, I hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.